Mastering Excel for data analytics. Why does Excel matter in data analytics? Excel might seem basic, but it's a powerhouse in the hands of a skilled analyst. Most organizations, whether big or small, use Excel daily for a wide range of tasks, from budgeting to sales forecasting. Learning Excel gives you a familiar and flexible environment to explore data. Powerful built-in tools like formulas, pivot tables, and charts. A way to build mini dashboards and reports without writing code. Excel is not just for spreadsheets, it's for storytelling with data. Core Excel skills every data analyst must know: 1. Basic formulas and functions. 2. Data cleaning techniques. 3. Sorting and filtering data. 4. Using pivot tables. And 5. Creating charts and visualizations. Excel add-ons and features for analysts. Power Query. Clean and combine data automatically. Data validation. Control what users enter in cells. Conditional formatting. Highlight trends or errors visually. Slicers. Add interactivity to pivot tables. Questions you can reflect on. 1. What Excel function did you find most useful today? 2. What's one thing that confused you and needs more practice? 3. How can you apply Excel to solve a real problem in your life or job? 4. Which visualization did you enjoy creating most? Please like, share, and follow my page for more tech info. Thank you for watching.